Okay, so just now I'm just going to walk you through how to add a product category and a product to our system. So as you can see, we've got our front page here and it's set up so that our categories appear with their thumbnail on the front page so people can click into them, look a bit like a product. You've got the number of products in brackets. Now I've also got it set up so underneath the menu it'll automatically update every time you add a product to a new category. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump across into the admin section here. Now the way we get to this is in the content product manager menu item. Now you'll see that in your PDF, but it might be easier if you see me do it. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new category. So all we have to do is click across onto this categories tab, and down the bottom you see a link that says add a new category. We click that and we can call this anything you want. So right now let's just make up a new one and we're going to call this nut and bolt combos just for the sake of it. So we hit submit and that's going to create our category for us. Now the only difference is, as you've noticed on the front page, we've got a few images for every category now. Right now we haven't added an image, but what we're going to do is add one. So if we look across to the right here, we've got 4 little boxes. We've got one that's a little pencil, one that's a couple of pages, one that's another bigger pencil, and a trash bin. So trash deletes. The pencil on the right is going to edit the name. The 2 pages is going to copy it, or this one here is going to edit category fields, and that's what we want to do to add an image. So if I've clicked on another one for an example, we've got image in here, shows you the images. So what we're going to do is go back and we'll choose, we just created nut and bolt combos. So let's go edit and we're going to add a field. So we are in this drop down box, we're going to pick image because that's what we want to do, and we're just going to give it name image because that's easy, prompt image because that's easy, let's not get too complicated. Now value, this is where we get to choose something else off our hard drive as a picture, so we just go choose file. I'm just going to go to my hard drive and somewhere here I'll have an image that's called bolt. Let's just look for it. I reckon it's in my F911 folder, so let's jump onto that. So it's images. Now I'm just going to pick bolt. It's not the right thing, but let's just pick it for the sake of the exercise. I'm going to hit submit. Now once it uploads a picture, now we've got that in, we can hit return. Now our category is created. So we can go back to the front page and refresh. Now it's not there, so I mean don't panic because the categories will only appear here if we've got an item inside there. So what we're going to do is we'll go back to the products tab. Now we can see there's a few products here, so to save creating a new one, let's just click on the 930 12-point CV bolt. I'm going into edit this product. What I'm going to do is just go down to categories, and it's already in the CV bolts. I'm just going to hold down my control, or I'm on a Mac on my command for you to be control, and click nut and bolt combos as well. That'll put it in both categories. So I just go submit for the product and that'll update it. Now if I go back to the front page and hit refresh, our nut and bolt combos category will be added here and in the left hand menu. And automatically we can click in and we can see that our bolt is on there. We can go in and we can add that to our cart. So that's how we add a category and put a product inside it.